Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Shopbase account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Shopbase account, firstly go ahead and launch open your ShopPay application. The official page of ShopPay application will appear on the screen. Tap on Get Started. On the next page, enter your email address and tap on Continue. Enter your password associated with your Shopbase account and tap on Login. The home page of Shopbase account will appear on the screen. This is how you can log into your Shopbase account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.